channel. This is bar magnet. This is in rectangular shape. South pole and North pole. It is in rectangular shape. Good morning. My name is Vidyalaya. I am studying in grade 4. My school name is Holyprince Vidyalaya. Today I am going to talk about bar magnet. We'll check the North Pole and North Pole will repel.
Take your hand up.
Only you should rotate once. It is a bar magnet. It is rectangular in shape. One edge is called North Pole and another edge is called South Pole. We are going to see North Pole and North Pole are repelled. North Pole or North repelled. Pole and North Pole will get repelled. This is the bar magnet. North Pole and South Pole. My name is Vidya. Today I am going to talk about this is bar magnet. This is North Pole. This is called South Pole. Bar magnet. It is in a rectangular shape. One end is called North Pole. Another end is called South Pole. Good morning. My name is Vidya. I am studying first standard. This is bar magnet. North Pole and South Pole will get attract. My name is Vidya. I am from grade 2. This is bar magnet. Bar magnet. This is a bar magnet. It is in rectangular shape. One end is North Pole, one end is South Pole. Pole and North Pole will get repelled. And South Pole and South Pole also will get repelled. North Pole and South Pole will get attracted. Good morning everyone. I am Vidyalaya from grade 4. I am going to say about bar magnet. North Pole and North Pole get repelled. South Pole and South Pole also get repelled. North Pole and South Pole attract. South Pole and North Pole also attract. Thank you. Everyone, I am Vidyalaya from grade 4. I am going to say about the bar magnet. North Pole and North Pole will get repelled. South My name is Vidyalaya. I am from grade 4. This is bar magnet. This is North Pole and this is South Pole. My name is Vidya and I am from grade 4. It is a bar magnet. It is in rectangular shape. One side is not one end is called North Pole, another one end is called South Pole. South Pole. Thank you. My name is Asika. I am studying 4th standard. This is bar magnet. One side is called North Pole, another side is called North Pole. North Pole will get repelled. Thank you. Good morning. My name is Asika and I am from grade 4. This is North Pole. This is South Pole. Thank you. Good morning. My name is Vidyalaya. I am from grade 4. one angle is called South Pole and it is called South Pole and another it is called North Pole. My name is Ashish Bala from grade 4. Today we are going to see the bar magnet. Bar magnet is the South Pole and North Pole. We keep like this and it will push away. So North Pole and South Pole is push repel away. So that this both are